How do you not have a Pyrex measuring thing? I bet Michelle even has a Pyrex measuring cup, and she doesn't even do anything in the kitchen.
I don't bake.
Everybody has Pyrex. Everybody has Pyrex.
I don't bake.
Oh my god. This is really...
I don't bake.
We've come to an impasse in Hot Girl Kitchen. We might have to split ways because I've never seen anything like this. Does this look like microwave steak? No. It says Mesrahe.
Well, I'm not fat. I don't bake.
That's French. Do you
I'm not
speak
making
French?
any sweets because I'm not fat, bitch. I don't bake.
Okay, well...
We're making food here for skinny people.
All people, fat and skinny, have Pyrex things for measuring because we measure liquid. Like, what do you...
I don't measure when I cook.
She really gives me the worst
I don't...
headache. And this yelling isn't helping.
All right,
yelling
goodbye.
Right in my ear.
All right,
Oh
turn it off.
Was that cute? Hey, hot boys and hot girls.
Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
And Melissa, wouldn't you love to know what we're making tonight?
What are we making tonight? We
cooked a fabulous crab cake, like high-end, gourmet. So we had a really elegant dinner and
we need an elegant dessert.
an equally elegant dessert. And what we're going to make is chocolate lava cakes. Ah! I'm just excited. I could just piss myself. I'm so excited.
I really hope you don't.
And especially in the white pants, really not a great look. Okay, and we're also drinking, well, I'm drinking red wine.
Yeah, I'm out.
Melissa the Lush drank hers all, but this is like a great item to like pair with your chocolate lava cake.
So, Matthew, what ingredients are we using?
So it's really wild AF because when you get, like a chocolate lava cake, it's not something that you get at like McDonald's, you know? Like it's a very high-end, elegant thing that you get at like fancy restaurants, but it's actually so easy to make at home and you just need a few simple ingredients. Chocolate chips, you need semi-sweet. Okay, thank you. Yeah, cover your face. Okay. You need, ow! Now I need a nose job. She broke my nose. You need some flour, powdered sugar, eggs. You're going to need eggs as well as egg yolks. So I'll show you how to do that delicate step in a bit. You need butter. And then you're going to need great baking spray because you're going to need a muffin / cupcake thing. Whatever I don't know what the exact term is. And then for toppings, so that's what you need to actually make them. So these toppings are optional. We're going to use some hot fudge, some ready whipped cream, and some strawberries. Now you probably want to make sure that you're using like brand new Ready Whip and strawberries because God only knows where else they've been. Well, as you may have heard, where's the thing? Oh. Melissa doesn't have a Pyrex measuring cup, so normally, like, in the comfort of my own home, I would, like, just heat up the Pyrex, but instead we're using this interesting fixture, which is more like a, what's the word I'm looking for? Anyways, moving on.
You biatch, and that's your responsibility.
Okay, look at that, straight. The Hulk could never. So you want 2 cups. Look, this thing only has 1 cup. I've never seen such a small, pathetic measurer. Oh my god, I'm crying because it's not looking like this is big enough.
It is.
Well, let's say our prayers that it's big enough. You need to put this in the microwave with a stick of butter. We're actually using 2 because these are half sticks. So a normal stick of butter is like this big. And also an important note is that this is unsalted butter because the last thing you want is to have a divine dish and then it be like salty AF like Melissa is. So we're going to put this This looks like a casserole. That's what it is. It's like a casserole dish.
Put it in there.
You're gonna put this casserole dish with chocolate chips and butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna pull it out, and it's probably not gonna be ready yet, so then I'm gonna kind of stir it up. And then if it's not ready yet, I'm gonna put it in for another 30 seconds. But we'll see. You know, we learn as we go in a hot girl kitchen, so let's go, girls. Okay, we're back after an alleged 20 minutes of assault.
Insulting me.
Well,
it's not what I deserve.
She didn't do so many things that warranted insulting, like if she had Pyrex that went in the microwave, or if she bought normal eggs. When have you ever seen anything like this? And look at these little eggs.
What do you want me to do? What do you want from me?
Thank God that we're using these as food, because these would have never fertilized into animals. They would have had, like,
ew,
birth defects. These little chickens, okay? So, anyways, moving on. You need 4 eggs. Oh my god, okay, so that's 2. In case those of you at home cannot count.
Went from insulting me to insulting the people at home.
Sorry, it's just my natural demeanor. So there's 4 eggs. And now you need 4 egg yolks. And so what you need to do... Okay, well, not that. So what you need to do is kind of juggle the yolk on out of there and make sure... And in the process, spray your cooking buddy.
Cooking buddy.
Oh my god, it's always entertaining. Oh my god, no, I broke the yolk. Okay, well,
it's
close enough. We got most of the yolk in there. You need 4 egg yolks.
Are you putting the yolks in, or egg whites, you mean?
No, you need egg yolks. I'm putting the egg whites into this bowl.
Oh, you
so
just
you
need the
can see I'm kind of juggling the 2 back and forth to make sure that I get all of the egg white out of there. Couldn't tell you why this is what you do. It's just what you do, okay? What do you know? We have the rose gold whisk. So now you whisk this all together. Okay, so now we're going to add some powdered sugar. If I can get it open. It's not looking likely for me. There we go. Usually you would use a dry measuring device for dry ingredients, but this isn't quite that, but it's okay. 1 cup. And now you need a 1/2 cup of flour. Oh my god, I'm just spilling it everywhere. This looks like more than a 1/2 cup.
That's about a 1/2 cup.
Oh wow, what do you know? About a 1/2 cup. And now we're going to mix it together. And so remember our step where we melted the chocolate and the butter in the microwave? Well, it took quite a bit longer in this interesting ramekin since we didn't have proper utensils. So, but regardless, it is melted now and we're going to add it to our mixture. Yeah, this is really hard and it's really hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. I can't touch it anymore. I need to get pot holders. Can you, like, kind of...
Anywho. Are you doing anything with the salt?
Yeah, so then you just add, like, a pinch of salt. Because chocolate's so sweet, it's good to just have a little bit of saltiness beyond just Melissa's attitude.
I'm not the salty one here, bitch.
Okay. Straight from the toilet.
Where you belong.
I'm gonna flush you down there, give you a good old swirly, girl. And now we're gonna give this a generous spray because it is so important that these do not get stuck, oh my, in the pan, because if they do, it's canceled.
Absolutely canceled. 120%.
Yeah,
Can't
canceled. Never try it again.
It's over.
It's over for you. And then you just dollop the mixture.
A dollop of daisy.
Right in. Yeah, like a dollop of daisy. And now that one looks a little low, but I just want to make sure that I have enough to fill all 12. Because that's like makes 6 for each of us. Like I'm not sure that that's even enough. So now that we have them all in our little
thing,
utensil, whatever it's called, we are going to put it in the oven on 425 degrees preheated for 9 minutes. The timing is very important because basically all a chocolate lava cake is, I know it's really crazy to imagine because you like always get it at a really fancy restaurant, but all it is underbaked chocolate cake. So all you're doing is underbaking the cake to make sure that the center is like runny. So like this is quite literally the only step. There's no like adding anything. I always thought when I got lava cakes that they like piped chocolate into the middle, but oh no, girl. This is it.
This is it.
So as I stated, but let me reiterate, they were in the oven for 9 minutes. And you pull them out and let them sit for 3 minutes. And after that, you get like a cookie sheet or like a cutting board, put it on top of your muffin tin, and flip them over so that they come out of the tin like appropriately. I was going to film that, but I didn't in case it went awry, and I didn't want everybody to see like chocolate flying everywhere. Like this isn't Willy Wonka. Okay, so now what I normally do, I mean you can just eat it, it's ready to go, but I just add some extra chocolate sauce on top. Just a dollop will do ya. Oh my god, this thing is so hot. Maybe I'll do a little more on this one. Should I do a drizzle? What do you think?
No, I think that's good.
Okay, it looks like it's drizzling itself.
Yeah.
Anyways.
And then
I do some Ready Whip. You can just use your like regular Cool Whip, but I liked the designs that it makes. Oh, well, that one was a little bit nipply. And then you add a strawberry, like I already did. And look at that. They are ready to go. Wow, it looks like an emoji with my 2 whipped creams. Okay. So let's get a view of that delicious oozing. Look at that. Fabulous. Amazing. Luxurious. Decadent. Your fave could never.
Your fave absolutely could never.
Never once, ever.
What does your fave do in her free time? Because she could never
Doesn't do that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is like the best ever.
What do you think their faves do? Do you think they buy like the Betty Crocker make it in the mug thing?
Well, Betty Crocker sure don't make a damn lava cake mix, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
You heard? Okay, Betty Crocker, add us. Anyways. So another fun fact is you can actually reheat these. What you do is you dampen a paper towel, so like run it under water, but like you don't want it to be like soaking, and lay it over top of the cake, and then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and it reheats like the center without cooking it, which is an interesting tip.
Interesting tip.
In case anybody was wondering, like how us small, petite, slender folks were gonna eat 12. Oh, don't worry, you can reheat. Trust and believe.
You know what you can also do?
Like and subscribe, but that goes without saying.
And if you haven't, we've said this time and time again.
Now's the time.
You're a creep. Stop watching our videos if you're not subscribed. It's weird.
Rude.
We're over it. It's uncomfortable for
Okay,
us.
that's enough because I just have to say again, wow, this is so good.
Real hot girl shit.